Today's video, I'm going to talk about 4 reasons why you should start wholesaling today. Coming up next. Wholesaling real estate is a great way to learn about real estate investing with little to no money to get started. I always suggest that new investors start wholesaling for many reasons. But today, we're going over my top 4. Welcome back to the channel. I have over 40 years experience as a broker, investor, and mentor. Make sure you hit that little like button if you want to live the life you've always wanted through real estate. Let's jump on in. Reason number 1, excellent income. Wholesaling can be lucrative. It's not for the faint of heart. It's a difficult task to accomplish, but at the end of the day, it can be very lucrative. So the process is that you're going to talk to a seller. You're going to get them to agree on a great price, because at the end of the day, you're going to need to sell that piece of paper to a flipper. The flipper is then going to purchase the property through escrow. You're going to get paid your finder's fee through escrow, and then the flipper is going to go on and flip that property and make his profit at the end of the day. Reason number 2, you can cherry pick the best deals for yourself. Always think about yourself. So if you've got a deal out there that's going to make you way more than the average $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 finder's fee, you may think about doing it yourself. You may actually flip it yourself. Reason number 3, you always want to build relationships. And this is very important as a wholesaler. You want to make sure that you've got all your numbers correct. At the end of the day, the after repair value is correct. If you want to figure out what the rehab is going to be, then you're going to make sure that at the end of the day, even after you get your finder's fee, that this flipper is going to make a substantial amount of money on this deal, because that's what they're looking for. It's also a benefit because you're going to be networking out there. You're going to be talking to so many people. They're talking to people. So when you do have a deal and you send it out to your buyers list, then they may talk to somebody else who may be a buyer for that property that you have never talked to, but you do have that relationship. Reason number 4 is the learning experience. And I always suggest that you literally start out from the ground and work your way up. And that means getting on the phone, talking to people yourself so that you know what they're asking, what they're telling you, good or bad, because there's both, so that when you get big enough, you can hire a virtual assistant to do the major lifting, and then have the virtual assistant send you the warm leads that you can close at the end of the day, because you know how to properly close a lead. What's the biggest thing holding you back? Let me know in the comments below. If you've been on the fence about starting, there is no time better than now. If you're new to wholesaling, click on this video right here. I go over how to talk to sellers. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.